Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Kirpi's Craft and DIY. Today we are going to make makeup setting spray. So first of all, we take empty bottle, then glycerin, aloe vera gel. I use Patanjali aloe vera gel, then rose water, and the next thing is vitamin E capsule. This is totally optional. And yeah, we also use some normal water. So let's get started. First take empty bottle, then add some normal water in it. I'm not taking so much. Water.
Then I'm going to add Patanjali aloe vera gel. I add 2 teaspoons Patanjali aloe vera gel. Then I'm going to add glycerin. One teaspoon. Then rose water. Rose water is the optional because you can also take first normal water. So rose water is optional. Then last thing, vitamin E capsule. This is optional. And the most important, shake it. And ta-da, now it's done. This is now done. So thanks for watching this video, and if you don't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get notified when my new video is I upload my new video. And please share, like and also comment. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.